This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. This is your last chance to act because this trick only works right now. Timing is key. All you need are a few colorful trash bags, and chances are you already have some at home. Just pick a few and take them out onto your balcony. Fill each bag with air and tie it tightly. If you don't have colorful bags, regular plastic ones will work just as well. Even the small produce bags from the grocery store. Now, tie the bags to your balcony railing in a few spots. As they flutter in the wind, they act as a natural scarecrow. It might sound silly at first, but it works. I've been doing this for years, and I get to enjoy a clean, peaceful balcony every spring. No more mess, no more droppings, no more stress. The key is to hang them up before pigeons start nesting. I always put the bags out at the end of March, and ever since I started, I've never had a problem. The pigeons see the bags moving and think there's danger nearby. They stay away and look for other places to nest. This trick is simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. There's no need for harsh chemicals, loud noises, or messy cleanups. Just try it once and you'll see how pigeons vanish as if by magic. Hang a clothespin on the door handle. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. Take a regular laundry clothespin. Everyone has one at home, and a large stretchy hair tie or rubber band. Wrap the band around the part of the clothespin where you'd normally clip clothes. It will stay secure and stable. Now attach the clothespin with the rubber band to the balcony door handle. As you probably know, most balcony doors don't have a handle on the outside, so when you step out, the door often stays open or just slightly closed. But it doesn't have to be that way. Holding the clothespin when going out, you can gently pull the band after closing the door, allowing it to shut behind you. This little trick works great in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air escape just because you stepped out for a moment.